see, it looks more like a race car than a rally car now. And the car, it's brand new. It's the first time we will drive this car on asphalt. And I test just a little bit 2 nights ago, and nothing really I can say right now. I will tell you maybe after a few first stages. Rebecca, if you want it, I take your car and you take this one.
You have the spoiler
Yes,
wrong.
do it, please.
You have the spoiler wrong. You must just a little bit, 2 millimeter there. He's flying now.
It's unbelievable.
What is all thing here?
Don't ask us because it's a completely new
This is
car.
Gumpert's last story,
Yeah.
eller? This is the end of his career.
We don't know anything.
Please.
It look a little bit used. You try it?
I try it 2 nights, but not enough.
It's funny to drive on.
Very different. They have the completely new steering. The system for the steering is different. And it's handled very easy in the corner, much easier than before. Really turn easily.
Yes.
But the back is fixed. It's on the ground. So when you leave, with the power, puff, it leaves immediately. It's I don't feel really the balance between the front and the rear. You know what I mean? But not soft
yes, I
at all.
understand.
Very.
Bang bang, yeah.
Yeah.
Is the gearbox the same as before?
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Not split, no?
No.
6 or 5?
Yes, 6 big gearbox.
Always 6 now in this sport
Yes,
Quattro.
yes. No, I think we will need few stages.
Is this a gravel? You gravel rally? The front is the same? The spoiler in the front?
Yes, it was.
What happened to the flying?
I don't know, but the car is more higher.
Uh-huh.
The car is higher.
So
But even it's very soft one. Even here, I touch everywhere.
Yes.
Everywhere I touch. But it's bing, 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 up and down. But it's soft, so it
Yes.
doesn't break it.